How to fix can't like, comment, or share on YouTube Shorts on Android. This tutorial walks you through the most common fixes so you can get back to interacting with Shorts normally. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. From there, tap on any short to make sure the issue is happening across the board and not just on one video. After that, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Swipe down to open the quick panel and toggle one off while turning the other on. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons the like, comment, and share buttons stop responding on Shorts. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, long press the YouTube app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. Following this, tap Force Stop to close any background processes that might be causing the glitch, then tap OK to confirm. From here, reopen YouTube and try liking or commenting on a short again to see if that resolved it. If the issue is still there, go back into App Info, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be corrupted. At this stage, give it a few minutes before clearing data, since cache alone often fixes the problem without needing anything further. Following this, if the issue persists, tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind this will sign you out, so make sure you remember your login details. Make sure to confirm when prompted. Once that's done, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and install the update if one is available, since an outdated version can also cause buttons to stop working. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to refresh your device completely. That's how you fix the like, comment, and share issue on YouTube Shorts. If this helped get things working again, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.